Your bounce it, biggity bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Your bounce it, biggity bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Shake, 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 shake.
Hey y'all, it's me, Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. Little known fact, I cannot see. The fact is little known because here are the glasses that I currently have. These are from high school, so these are like over 10 years old. These are so old and raggedy that the actual prescription is peeling off of the lens. I don't know why I have kept these so long and neglected to get a actual new pair of glasses. I just started wearing my contacts and was like, I wear those at home when I need to take my contacts out, but I cannot go out in those because they just look a mess. So I am so excited to be sharing with you guys today some glasses from the website Voogueme. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup when I wear glasses. I'll be honest, sometimes I just put my glasses on because I don't want to wear makeup. But when I do, I have a couple ways that I change it up to kind of modify to me wearing glasses so it can work a little bit better with my frames. So I'll be showing you what I do for my makeup when I wear glasses and also doing a little try on haul at the end because I have 5 new pairs of glasses from Voogueme, so I should never have to wear those other ones again. Voogueme does do prescription glasses. They do readers. They are super duper affordable, like questionably affordable, so affordable. So if you guys are excited to learn some tips about how to wear makeup with your glasses as well as see the goodies that I got, stay tuned. All right guys, so like I said, I have 5 basic things that I change from my regular routine, or basically like tips that I kind of go by when I wear makeup with my glasses. Now a lot of times when I wear my glasses, it's so I don't have to wear makeup, but when I do and I still want that glam look, excuse my nail by the way, when I do still want that glam look, these are some things that I do. So I've already done brows and some eyes, but when I do my brows, number one, I've been getting questions about those. Typically when I wear my glasses, I do go for a bigger and bolder brow because I like big old chunky glasses, and I just feel like my regular like bare brow kind of gets lost and just gets muddy and there's not like any definition to my brows. So even if I don't do like a full sculpting, I do take the Got2b and kind of brush it through and just try to make my brows look a little bit fuller. So if you like rimless glasses or smaller frames, they may need to also make sense with your brows. So you might want to make a smaller brow, like a more natural, thinner brow to not overpower your smaller frame. But for me, I gotta go for a big old brow for my big old glasses. Second thing, with my eyeshadow, which I've kind of already done here, I typically don't go too crazy with my eyeshadow, but when I do eyeshadow, I try to take it all the way up to my brow because my glasses are going to kind of like cover most of my eyes, but I still want you to be able to see that I did something on my eyes. So I feel like I have to kind of go in a little bit bolder and a little bit higher with my glasses. And I need to clean those, which I also love because the glasses all come with their own little individual like felt case and a little glasses cleaner. And they even throw in a little screw so you can tighten them. So they all come with this, which is nice just to keep them in at home, especially for traveling and just for general storage. That is nice because I can be a little rough on my glasses, as you saw by the ones that I currently have. So I'm just cleaning these real quick. Okay, so that is my brow and my shadow tips. Next, with my lashes, I have on lashes right now. Honestly, I don't wear lashes a lot with my glasses. What I do recommend for your natural lashes when you wear glasses is to curl them or to use a curling mascara. So if you're doing mascara, which I do recommend, I recommend putting something on your lashes so they can stand out behind the frames. But I hate for either my real lashes or my fake lashes to be hitting the glass, especially like mascara getting on the lens. So if they're more curled, then I feel like that avoids that. So you can either curl them or use a curling mascara. And if you do a false lash, I try to go with more thickness than length. So these are not like my 25mm lashes that are kind of like all the way out here because those are going to hit the frames all day and bother me. So that's my 3 for that. The 2 big ones for me, honestly, foundation, which I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation today. This is the powder foundation. My last video was on this foundation. If you have not seen it, I will go ahead and iCard that or leave the information for that. But with foundation, whether you use powder, liquid, whatever you use, for me, it's important I've already primed, to not use a lot of foundation, because your glasses shift and move, and the biggest way to have, like, I feel like a makeup mistake is once your glasses move, where they kind of like slide down your nose, or the arms of the glasses kind of move around, is if there is a big difference between your natural skin and your foundation, now you have patches of foundation all over your face. So even with this powder foundation, I'm going to go in a little bit lighter than I normally would if I wasn't wearing my glasses. That way, throughout the day when my glasses shift, when I kind of sweat around my nose a little bit on my glasses, it isn't like a huge difference between the two. I am going to go in a little bit on the bridge of my nose with this. Still going to do concealer and stuff, but that'll be kind of my last tip, or one of my last tips. But overall, if you do a foundation, honestly, a tinted moisturizer is good if you're not a big foundation person. But if you are, I tend to go lighter in the areas where I feel like my glasses are going to be touching my skin, just to be careful. Okay, I think I'm happy with that amount of coverage. Now for concealer. So I'm gonna do what I normally do, but a little bit different, and it's for a reason. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place and my Fenty concealer. I'm going to go up right under my eye where I normally do, because depending on your lens, it can magnify, so it'll magnify your darker circles. I'm not gonna go quite as far onto my nose, because again, if my glasses move, I don't want it to create like that weird sweaty kind of, there's now a patch on my face. And I'm not gonna go as low as I normally do. I'm not gonna do any on my nose, and then I'm just gonna do my forehead. I'm still gonna let it sit, because it is important for me to really set it, so that, especially under my eyes, so that the glasses don't move as much, or aren't able to pick up the product as much. But I'm just gonna kind of keep it tighter under my eye. So I'm gonna let that set, and then I'll almost be done, because I'm excited to show you guys the 5 glasses that I have, tell you the prices and stuff like that. While I let this sit, what I really like about Voogueme is it's so affordable, because clearly I've been holding on to those glasses for a long time, because it's just so much. I'm like, I gotta go, I gotta hope I get a frame I like, I gotta pay for the expensive designer glasses, and I gotta pay for the lens. It's just so much. I gotta wait for them to come in, I gotta go back, pick it up again. It's a lot. Versus Voogueme, it's like, you pick it on the site, you can put your lens prescription in, you can do all those things on the site, and they ship it directly to you, and it's just so much easier. And the glasses are like $7, $20. I don't think I have any glasses today more than $25, and those are the ones that I was like, nah, I love these, I gotta get these. But the other ones are all like $9, $7, $6, like that. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Even if they're just fashion glasses, you honestly, or readers, that is just a great price. That's just hard to beat in general. So I am pressing this in, again, trying not to go too far down. I don't typically do bottom lash mascara, or really go in and do like anything on my bottom lashes. If you do, I would suggest not doing black, because again, it can magnify. I would probably do like a chocolate and just smudge it. If your glasses don't magnify, some of this stuff won't be as much of an issue, but if they do, then that you kind of have to be even more careful. So I'm taking it down a little bit, but I'm carrying down what's already on the sponge. I didn't put any actual product. Still right under my eye, I'm going to go in with Fenty, again, where the glasses won't affect this, and I'm going to put it right under to brighten that up a little more. Everything else I can kind of do the same as far as contouring and stuff like that, while I let that under my eye really set, because I still like to have a highlighted look. I just have to kind of work around the fact that there is glasses lenses on my face. So just gonna let that set in. Another thing I like about Voogueme is there's so many styles. Like, you'll see a lot of my styles today are similar because I know what works for me, but I also tried some that I haven't tried before. I mean, they have cat eye, they have like bedazzled ones, they have your classic ones, but they also have some that are just fun glasses and different. And I feel like that can be a really fun way to accessorize your outfit and to kind of jazz up your look without doing too much, because they're still functional. And again, it's easy to play and kind of experiment when the glasses are $6. Like, if I gotta go to, you know, the glasses, like the eye doctor and get the glasses, I'm keeping it safe. I'm not about to pay $400 and hope I like these fun glasses. But for $6, I can experiment. So patting this in, keeping it super tight under the eye so I don't have any issues. I'm gonna blow off that excess powder and I'm just gonna press it into the skin. I'm really gonna stay and press it where I know my glasses sit. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my regular for my blush and like set the rest of my face. Still, I'm gonna go around kind of the edges of where my highlighter is with my setting foundation, setting powder, just to make sure that even where it sits on my cheeks, that my glasses don't pick up that product and move it around, because I've definitely had that happen. And then I have like a ring basically around my face where it's gotten a little wild. So just avoiding that, going around the edge and making sure that is all secured. Okay, let's try on some glasses. I'm excited to see how these styles look. Y'all let me know which style that I try that you like the most. Let's try on some glasses. Okay, so this first pair, let's get a look at these. Hopefully my ring light's not doing anything crazy with the lenses. Oh, these are so cute. These are $14.99 in the shade Tawny. And I'll of course linking all these below. But for $14.99, so it's like a two-tone dark brown at the top, light brown at the bottom. These are definitely an easy go-to. Like, these are a good introduction framing to a little bit of color, a little bit of design, but not too much. She's cute. I haven't worn cute glasses in so long because I've been out here with them other ones. I could actually like wear these to work. These are cute. Now, glasses and masks is a whole nother dilemma we'll talk about another time. But these, y'all are definitely going to be able to tell what kind of shape and style I like. I told y'all I like a big old frame. Okay, so she is $23.99. Tortoise at the top, transparent at the bottom. She's cute. I feel like she looks smart. Yes, I feel like she's giving educated. Love these. I like that these frames are large, but I also like big frames because the lens is big. So I feel like you can still see my lashes, you can still see my eyeshadow, you can definitely still see my brows. So you can still see the work I put into the bead, but like it isn't fighting with the lens. These are also $23.99, and these are like multicolor and champagne. So the champagne's on the bottom, multicolor at the top. These are, I love these so much. I wear black a lot, so fun glasses I feel like are an easy way for me to accessorize an outfit. I'm really trying to not give y'all so much glare in the lens so y'all can still get into the lens, but love these. These just look fun to me. I think of, oh, what is her name? Sylvia Weinstock. Sylvia Weinstock, the cake designer. To me, these are like cute, fun, like signature glasses. There's another pair that I'm like, these are super, they make me feel either Dawn Magic Wand or Sylvia Weinstock, but I like these a lot. I think those last two are honestly the most expensive. The $23.99 I think is the highest. These are only $10. Now this is a different silhouette for me. I don't typically go for such a round frame. I don't know if I feel like it makes my face rounder or what. How do we feel about these? Another two-tone, a little bit of a trend here. So these are gray on the bottom with the dark tortoise on top. How do we feel about these? I don't usually do round, so I wanted to try the round to see why I don't do round. I'm not mad at the shape, and I think the only pair I have left are the ones that I said, Sylvia Weinstock or Dawn Magic Wand. I'm not sure which one yet, but y'all will see why when I put these on. And it's funny because Aramis likes these. So these are $20, and these are in their crystal collection. I don't think I can pull these off. I don't think I'm cool enough, but I feel like, again, if you're like my sister who's a graphic designer, or like if I was like 60 and sassy, or like just had a really bold, loved a bold statement piece, I feel like I could pull these off. These are multicolored, crystal. The quality is there though. Yeah, the quality is there. If you didn't know me and you thought this was my style, I think I could pull these off. But because I feel like I know me, I don't know if I can pull those off. I feel like one of these two is more what I'm gonna grab and kind of gravitate to. You guys tell me what your favorite is. Have you tried Voogueme before? I do not have the battle of having to do my makeup and not being able to see because I can see close up. So I know that's a whole nother battle, but hopefully some of these tips helped you with wearing glasses and wearing makeup when you want to do a little bit of a full beat with your glasses on. Hopefully this helped a little bit. Let me know your thoughts. Again, let me know your favorite frame. Y'all know if I got a discount code, y'all know where it'll be. You know it's gonna be in the description box. So please check that out. Like, comment, and subscribe. So cute. And I'll see you guys in the next video.